In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a dotted border line in your Microsoft Excel table. So let's get started. First is you just need to open your Excel sheet that has a table in it. And as you can see, this is not yet a dotted line for the border on the table in Microsoft Excel. So what can we do? We just need to select the whole table first. So simply drag this cursor to select the whole table. Now, once you have selected the whole table, simply look at the options or the tabs at the ribbon and click on the Home tab. And here you'll find this option, Bottom Border. Also, simply click on this drop down arrow and then you'll find the border options. Click on More Borders. Okay. And this window will appear. So simply click on the border tab and you have here the style. So in order to make a dotted line border, simply choose this one, okay, the dotted line, and then you can also choose your color from here. Now let us choose this one. And then just simply click, no, not none. Go to outline and then inside. You can also do that from here by just clicking on this sides like that. Okay. And once done, you just need to simply click on OK. And that's it. Okay. So by doing this, you just can simply do the thing that you wanted. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.